Hi and welcome to this SugarCRM tutorial from enable.services. If you've seen Sugar on a desktop before, you're probably familiar with the global search bar on the top right of the screen, where you can search for data in your system. But using the SweetSpot Search feature, you can search for almost anything in Sugar instantly. While viewing any screen in Sugar, on your keyboard, press and hold Ctrl and Shift on PC or Command and Shift on a Mac, and then press the spacebar. A search box will appear in the middle of the screen with the Sugar logo. You can press the same combination of keys to close this down. In this search, you can type in anything you want to do, whether it be going to the studio, creating a new quote from scratch, or view your lead reports easily and quickly without clicking through the menus. If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking and subscribing for more in the future. And for more information on how SugarCRM can help your business, check out our website at enable.services.